Chickens are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and protein. While their diet primarily consists of grains, seeds, and insects, chickens are opportunistic foragers and will snack on small critters like worms and even mice. This varied diet gives chickens the nutrients they need to lay healthy eggs and maintain strong bodies. Their ability to find food wherever they go is one reason chickens are such resilient animals. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content like this knowledge cookie.